Good morning, ma'am.
Meeting has been recorded.
कहाँ है मैम?
दिया गाँव कौन रहा है? केक लग रहा मुझे लग रही घुंघरू उठ गए घुंघरू भाई मेरे को किसी ने बुलाया
हेलो एवरीवन, कीप द साइलेंट। अपने अपने को म्यूट कर ले।
बंद किया
भाई पर्सन कितना खतरनाक है।
वत्सल,
यस सर।
अपने को म्यूट करो। सभी अपने अपने को म्यूट करो।
हम तो
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible to all?
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Everyone, mute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Good morning. Now I am muting you all. You all are making noise. Today we are going to study the chapter Wonderful Waste, the summary which we have discussed yesterday. Fine, I am sharing my screen with you. We will read the text and study it. Sparsh, can you see my screen? Ansh, visible? Sparsh, Chandra, is my screen visible? Fine. Wonderful. Waste. Waste can be quite useful, as we have discussed it in our previous class, that how the cook used the waste scraps, vegetable scraps, and made a new dish out of it. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner. Grand means big. The Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Palace means a large building, a luxurious building where a king lives. In the afternoon, before the dinner was going to start, he went to the kitchen. The Maharaja entered the kitchen. A huge crowd. So the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand feast, dinner in his palace for his subjects, for his village peoples, and he entered the kitchen to see what the cook has prepared for the dinner. What dishes is he preparing for dinner? What are you doing to do with those vegetable scraps? Scraps means bits of or pieces of food, vegetables, eatable things. What are you going to do with vegetables? When he saw some vegetable scraps in a bit, he asked the cook, what are you going to do with those scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. He pointed towards the basket which was lying near the cook side. The cook answered, they are waste. Maharaja, they are waste. We will throw them away. We will. Then the Maharaja said, you cannot waste all bits and pieces of vegetables. Like, you should not waste these bits or these vegetable scraps. One way to use them. This term only means to look fiercely, strictly, in a strict manner. The Maharaja ordered him in a strict manner to use the vegetable scraps wisely and walked away from the kitchen. The cook was in a fix. In a fix means in a problem. In a problem. Why? Because he had no idea how to use those vegetable scraps and kept staring. Staring means to look continuously at something or someone. Monish, you want to ask a question? Write a message. Write a message in the chat box. I'll read it. The cook was in a fix. The cook was in a problem. He was confused. He was staring those vegetable scraps. And suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. flashed across means to come suddenly. And an idea suddenly came to his mind that how can he use those vegetable scraps to make something new. He took all the vegetable bits. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them. Whenever we cook a dish, what do? We take vegetables, we wash them, cut them, and heat a pan, and then we put those vegetables and spices and water to add curry and salt. Like this, we cook the dish, and in the same way the cook started to cook the dish out of the vegetable scraps. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them. And he cleaned them well. Then he cut them into the long strips. Then he cut those vegetable scraps into long strips. He put them in a huge pot, and he put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. And he put those vegetable scraps into a pot to cook them. After that, he lit the fire. Then he ground, G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. The word ground here is the past form of grind, G-R-I-N-D. Grind means, what do we do with the mixie? We grind the spices, mix the spices. He ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. Fine. He mixed green chili, fresh coconut and garlic together, and he made a paste out of these three ingredients. And he added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables, which he had cut long strips. Then the vegetable scraps started cooking, and a tempting smell started coming out from the pot. Tempting means attracting, attractive, enticing, the fragrance that attracts us. So a tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd. Whip is the process of what? Whip. We discussed in our previous class the process of whipping a curd. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He whipped some curd means he mixed some curd and he added the mixed curd into the curry, and he also poured. Poured means to pour a liquid. Poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorate the dish with curry leaves. Curry leaves. You must have seen curry leaves. They are used for giving the flavor. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves, as we use coriander leaves to decorate our food. In the same way, he used curry leaves to decorate the dish. Lo and behold, Lo and behold means, oh, what a surprise. Lo and behold means, oh, what a surprise. Oh, what a surprise. The new dish was ready and the new dish was ready to serve to the guest. The cook served this new dish to the guest. The cook then served, after when the dish was cooked, the cook served the dish to the guest who were coming to attend the feast. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. Everyone excited to know the name of the dish because they have never tasted such a tasty dish before. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought, and the cook started thinking, what should I call the dish? If the guest will ask me what is the name of the dish that you have cooked, what will I tell them? So then a name came to his mind, and suddenly a name came to his mind. What he was giving to that dish, which he made out of the vegetable scraps. He named it Avial. 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 He named the dish Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And later on, Avial became the famous dish in Kerala, and to till date it is a very famous dish and it is being served in their traditional feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste, and we have read the story and we know the history, how the dish Avial came into existence. It was the dish made by the vegetable scraps, and the cook named it suddenly Avial. Fine, this is the story of wonderful waste. Give me 2 minutes, I am taking your attendance, then I will be asking you some questions. Is students, is the name of the dish which the cook gave to the dish which he prepared from the vegetable scraps. Ma'am, what is vegetable scraps? Vegetable scraps are the pieces of the vegetables which are remained after cutting the vegetables which he used to make other dish. Fine. Arush Narula. Arush. 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 I'm not able to unmute you. Please text me if you have any problem. Arush. Is there anything you want to ask me?
No, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
you will
This is
when
a
you will
yes.
give the word meaning.
yes. I
Ma'am,
will
when
give
you
you
will give the word meaning.
hard words for
Arav. Ma'am, I want to ask a question. Arav. Ma'am,
any problem.
hello, ma'am. Arav.
Very
Okay. Arav.
no problem, no problem. If you have a problem, we will you will give me answer.
Ultimatum.
What was the name of the dish? Message me in the chat. What was the name of the dish which the cook had prepared? Who has given the right answer? Anuvya and Arav. Avil. Ridyansh Arora. Clap for Ridyansh Arora. He has given the right answer and he was the first to give me the answer. Fine, 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 fine. Avil. Good. Okay. The name of that where it became famous on. Name of that place where the dish is famous. Uh, yes, you have given me the right answer. Ridyansh, he just want to answer. Good. Yes. Dhanishta, Kerala, good. You all giving me right answer. Keep it up. Very good. Kerala, Avniya, Ansh Mehta, Dhingra, Kerala, from Chandra. Good. Harnoor Singh, Kerala, Kashi, Kila. No, Kerala. Good. To which place Maharaja belonged to? Name that place to which the Maharaja belonged. He was the Maharaja of which place? Very good. Yagiki Mishra. Travancore. Very good. Very good. Avni, Travancore. No, it is Kerala. Travancore. Avinash, Travancore. Very, very good. Fine. Very good. Everyone. Good. Now we will look to the difficult word and the word meaning from the chapter. Fine. Scraps. Scraps. Look word scraps means bits or pieces of food. Bits, pieces of food. I'll be sharing the sheet in which I have mentioned hearts and word meaning. You will write these hearts and word meaning in your book. Fine. Sparsh is fine. Piyush. Fine. Scraps means bit or piece of food. Next, BITS bit. Bits mean small piece. Small pieces. Bit means small and bits small pieces. Fine. Command or to order some is sternly strict, but sternly means in a strict manner. That sternly means in a fix. In a fix. In a fix means a situation hard situation hard escape which not escape which we cannot tolerate. To look angrily at something continuously. Lo and behold. Lo and behold. Lo and behold means what a surprise. What a surprise. Traditional feast. Traditional feast. Traditional feast means a hearty meal for many guests served on a special occasion. A meal served special occasion is as a traditional feast. Mutalib. Next words. Word.
Question.
Yes.
Hurry.
Yes. Later on it becomes in Kerala. It was famous in Kerala. Fine. Have you understanding of chapter? Understood the chapter?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you will send in group.
Yes, I will send word meaning
Ma'am, you
and
will.
hard words in your group, and you will have to write the hard words and the word meaning in your notebook. Fine.
Ma'am, question answer.
We'll discuss the question answer in my next class.
Ma'am, question answer.
शिनू की बता तक मैसेज नहीं आया है.
Okay, ma'am.
The time is over now.
ये भी
Ma'am,
मैम
time
पीरियड
is
है.
over.
मैम इट इज योर
नहीं आया थे मैं.
only. मैम इट इज योर पीरियड only.
Question and answer. Number one question from your text is, what were the preparation in the palace for? What were preparation in the palace for? Discuss the chapter. Can anybody tell me?
मैम
what was
क्वेश्चन
the
आंसर नहीं दिख
preparation
रहे.
in the palace
मैम
for?
क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं दिख रहे.
You can chat. You can send message in
Can't
the chat
see
box.
question answer. Well, we can't see question answer.
Ma'am, yes, we can't see question answers.
Ma'am, we cannot see question answer.
Ma'am, we cannot see the question answer.
We cannot see the question answer.
अरे अंजान लग दे हमें ना जरूरी.
Ma'am, we cannot see the question answer. Ma'am, we cannot see.
Can see the question answer.
Ma'am, we cannot see the
The question.
Question answer. We can't see.
Ma'am, we can't see the.
We can't see the sheet.
Ma'am, I can see. Ma'am, I can see. And we can't see the sheet. Ma'am, I can see. Web is fooling. Down. Now we can see. Now we can see, ma'am. Now we can see.
Fine. Now look at the first question from your textbook. What were the preparation in the palace for? There were preparations in the palace as we have discussed the chapter. Can you tell me why they were preparing? Yes, I am getting answers. Grand dinner, Vidyansh Arora, very good. Avyan Kumar, grand dinner. Avyan is the first one to give the correct answer. Grand dinner, yes. Dhanishta, grand dinner, very good. Grand feast, very good. The preparation in the palace were for a grand dinner. The preparations in the palace were for a grand dinner. And who gave this grand dinner? Who gave this grand dinner? No answer? Yes. Kashni, Maharaja. Good. Maharaja of Travancore. Siddhi Chhabra, Maharaja. Very good. Maharaja of Travancore offered this grand dinner. Good. Avni, good. Nipun, very good. Maharaja.
Next question. We will read the second question. Why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? Why did Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? We all know that Maharaja went to the kitchen. Yes, Ridyansh Arora, survey the dishes. Very good. Monish Tyagi, C. What? To survey. Good. Prabji, survey the. Very good. Food. Kashni. To survey dish. Avyan to food. Survey dishes. Shankar Prajapati to survey the dish. DISHES. Shankar. Siddhi Chabda. DSHE. No. To see the food. Now look at the answer. Maharaja went into the kitchen to serve dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Maharaja went to the kitchen to examine the dishes that had been prepared for the vegetable scraps. To throw, very good. Throw away, Ridyansh, very good. Rupanshi, to see, no. To throw them away. Throw away, Avyan, very good. To throw, throw. Yes, to throw. Fine. Throw away. Good. Yes. What had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? He has decided to throw them away. The cook had planned to throw away the vegetable scraps. Now, there are few extra questions. These are not from your textbook. These extra questions are not from your textbook. I have prepared these questions for you from the chapter. What did the Maharaja command sternly to the cook? What did the Maharaja command sternly to the cook? Sternly means in a strict manner. What did the king ordered strictly to the cook? Let me see the answers. Not waste vegetables. Yes, to use them. Javandeep, what are you typing? Not related to the question answer. Not waste vegetables. Good. To use them. No waste vegetable. Do not throw them. Anuvya and Arav. To use them. We can't see. Harnoor Singh. Harnoor? Ridyansh? Ridyansh? Ridyansh Arora. Can you see my screen? Can you hear my voice? Fine. Harnoor, we can't see. What? To use them. To use them. To use them wisely. Fine. Tavish. Word question clear to all? Show me your thumbs up. Vatsal, Sparsh, Dhruv, fine. Rupanshi, were the question answer clear to you? Anna, Rupanshi, show me your thumbs up. Fine. The command sternly to the cook scraps and he find a way to use the vegetable scraps easily. Push. Stop writing. Now, the chapter that everyone was to know the name of the dish. The dish was new and they never tasted it good. It was a new and tasty. Fine. Everyone was to know the name of the dish because the dish was new for them. Because the dish was new, they never tasted such delicious dish before. They never tasted delicious dish. Next, how did the cook prepare the dish? You will have to describe it in detail. The cook prepared the he took all the vegetable scraps and he washed them and cut them into long strips. Then he put the big pot on the fire to cook. He added the paste, grounded that green garlic, put some salt to the cooking vegetables, and some curd and few coconut oil and
How many? There. Six.
Screen is from your textbook. Question number 3 is also from your textbook. Yes, 3 questions are from your textbook and other 3 are from your. And these extra questions, on my screen you can see extra questions are there.
Yes, ma'am.
I have made it for you. Out of the chapter,
मेरी स्क्रीन होती नहीं है excuse me,
Forcing. Your time is over, ma'am. Time is over. Time is not over.
Ma'am,
Time is
50 minutes are left.
50 nahi. No.
They are not.
आपका टाइम कितना हो रहा है?
50 minutes
5
are
plus
left.
12. There are still few minutes.
आपका टाइम कितना हो रहा है?
Let's get into the topic. Now let's get back to the topic. You all are start. Yes. If you have any doubt related to these questions, you can text me. You all are making noise, that's why I'm muting you. Fine. I'm repeating these questions again. If you have any doubt, you can text me. What were the preparations in the palace for? The preparations in the palace were for a grand dinner. Why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen? The Maharaja went into the kitchen to survey, or we can say to examine the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Piyush, is it clear? Piyush? Piyush? Is there any doubt in any question? Okay, fine. Dhruv? 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 Dhruv Ahuja?
Ma'am, yes.
Everything is clear to you?
Ma'am, yes. I am writing, ma'am, and I am also writing the questions.
Fine. What had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? The cook wanted to throw away the vegetable scraps. Abdullah, I am unable to unmute you. Text, what are you saying?
मैम
Yes.
मैम बनाना को क्या कहते हैं?
What do we call banana leaves?
मैम यस.
Banana leaves.
ओके मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Okay. Vatsal. Vatsal.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of survey?
Survey means to examine closely to someone or something.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Vatsal, you have raised your hand. Do you have any query?
Ma'am, no.
Vatsal,
Ma'am,
then
no.
why are you raising hand? Fine.
Ma'am, I forgot to lower hand.
Okay. Okay. Avyan Kumar, thumbs up. The cook had planned to throw away the vegetable scraps.
ये भी वॉच है. मेरे पास दो वॉच है.
चार्जिंग हो रही है इसमें?
हाँ, चार्जिंग हो रही
फुल होगी शायद चार्जिंग इसकी.
होगी.
What did the Maharaja command sternly to the cook? The Maharaja commanded sternly to the cook that he should not waste the vegetable scraps and he should find a way to use them wisely. Extra question number 2. Why was everyone eager to know the name of the dish? Everyone was eager to know the name of the dish because it was new for them and they have never tasted it before. That's why they were very eager to know the name of the dish which the cook had prepared. How did the cook prepare the dish? Fine, it's new. Yes. Prince Sukla. He took all the vegetable scraps and he washed them, cut them into long strips, and he put them in a big pot and placed it on the fire to cook. After that, he added the paste of groundnut.
हाँ दोनों की बड़े तो बैठ जाते वहाँ, छोटे पकड़ पकड़ बैठाने पड़ रहा है, छोटे ना बैठ रहा है। हाँ
अभी आ रहा है।
हाँ मैं तो अब इसाइला तो अब 2-4 दिन में तो फोन मंगाओ, फोन खराब होगा, चले जाए।